Hello everyone. Welcome back to your English speaking course. Today is lesson 20, and we're learning something very practical, English for daily problems, complaints, and solutions. Because let's be honest, life isn't perfect. Sometimes your food is cold, your internet isn't working, your hotel room is dirty, or your product is broken. In those moments, you need English not just to survive, but to solve problems politely and confidently. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn how to explain your problem clearly and calmly. Make polite complaints in English, ask for refunds or replacements, respond professionally to customer complaints, use natural, polite expressions for daily life. So grab your notebook and let's begin. Part 1. Why polite complaints matter. Making a complaint doesn't mean being rude, it means expressing your problem politely so it can be fixed. In English, tone and words matter a lot. You can say the same thing in two very different ways. Rude, this food is bad. Polite, excuse me, the food is cold. Could you please heat it up? Being polite helps people listen and solve your problem faster. So, the golden rule, stay calm. Use please and could you. Focus on solutions, not blame. Part 2. Common phrases to start a complaint. Here are some polite and natural ways to begin when you have a problem. Polite complaint starters. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with. I'm sorry, but I think there's been a mistake. I'm afraid I'm not happy with. Could you please help me with this issue? I'd like to make a complaint about. I ordered this yesterday, but I'm not satisfied with the service. Examples. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with my bill. I'm afraid this isn't what I ordered. I think you've charged me twice by mistake. These sentences are friendly but firm, perfect for real-life situations. Part 3. Complaints at a restaurant. Restaurants are one of the most common places where we need complaint English. Let's practice with examples. Example 1. Wrong order you. Excuse me, I ordered chicken, not fish. Waiter. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'll fix that right away. Example 2. Cold food. You. Sorry to bother you, but my soup is cold. Could you please warm it up? Waiter. Of course, I'll take care of it immediately. Example 3. Slow service you. Excuse me, we've been waiting for over 30 minutes. Could you check our order, please? Waiter. I apologize for the delay. I'll check right now. Key phrases. Sorry to bother you, but could you please look into it? I'd appreciate it if you could fix this. That's not what I ordered. Always keep your voice friendly, that's the secret to good communication. Part 4. Complaints at a hotel. If you're staying in a hotel and something goes wrong, the room is dirty, the air conditioner doesn't work, or there's noise, here's how to handle it. Dialogue example. You guessed. Excuse me, there's a problem with my room. Receptionist. I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem? You. The air conditioner isn't working properly. It's very hot in the room. Receptionist. I apologize. We'll send maintenance right away. Another example. You. I'm afraid the bathroom hasn't been cleaned. Receptionist. I'm so sorry. We'll send housekeeping immediately. Useful phrases. There's a problem with my room. The air conditioner isn't working. The bathroom hasn't been cleaned. Could you please change my room? I'd like to speak to the manager. Tip. Always start polite, but if the issue continues, you can say more firmly. I really need this fixed today. This is very inconvenient. Part 5. Complaints in shops or customer service. When you buy something that's broken, late, or incorrect, you'll need these phrases. Useful phrases. I'd like to return this, please. This item doesn't work. I received the wrong product. Could I get a refund, please? Can I exchange this for a different size? Example. Dialogue. Customer. Excuse me, I'd like to return this blender. It's not working properly. Shop assistant. I'm sorry about that. Do you have the receipt? Customer. Yes, here it is. Shop assistant. Would you like a refund or an exchange? Customer. A refund, please. Vocabulary help. Refund equals get your money back. Exchange equals replace with another item. Receipt equals proof of purchase. Pro tip. Always sound calm. The goal is to get a solution, not an argument. Part 6. Complaints about services, internet, electricity, phone service problems are common, especially with internet or electricity. Example, calling customer support agent. Hello, thank you for calling SmartNet. How can I help you? You. Hello, my internet has been very slow since yesterday. Agent, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. May I have your account number, please? You. Sure, it's 12,345. Agent, thank you. We'll send a technician to check the issue. Useful phrases, my internet isn't working. The connection keeps dropping. There's a power outage in my area. I'd like to report a service problem. When will it be fixed? Always say thank you at the end. It helps maintain a professional tone. Part 7. When you receive a complaint sometimes, you might be on the other side. Someone complains to you. Here's how to handle it politely. Useful responses. I'm really sorry about that. I completely understand your concern. Let me fix that for you right away. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. We'll make sure it doesn't happen again. Example dialogue. Customer. The delivery was late, and the package was damaged. You. I'm very sorry about that. I understand how frustrating that is. We'll replace the item immediately. Always show empathy. That means understanding the other person's feelings. Part 8. Complaints by email or chat. When writing a complaint message, use polite and formal language. Example, email subject. Complaint about late delivery. Dear customer service. I ordered a laptop on October 5th, but it hasn't arrived yet. The delivery was supposed to be on October 8th. Could you please check the status and let me know when I can expect it? Thank you for your help. Sincerely, your name. Key writing tips. Use dear. And sincerely. Be polite and factual. Avoid angry or emotional words. Always thank them at the end. Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to make polite complaints in English, whether you're at a restaurant, hotel, shop, or even talking to customer service online. Remember, the secret is not to shout, it's to stay calm, be polite, and speak clearly. That's what makes you sound confident and fluent in English. In our next lesson, Lesson 21, we'll move to something fun, talking about weather and daily life in English. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to keep learning English with me every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thank you for watching, and remember, your English gets better every single day.